Makhatana Committee on Tribal Unity Kotuna Kangpokpi Police ki khutangda angang ani sinarkhibani haina kotogi wangangloi NG Lungkebge na fongdokre makna haikibada ngasi Manipur lengakna maikhoigi demand khara thabakta onthokpaga loinana ayukta yanaba purakhiba adudagi Kukijo Village Volunteers singna kotuda makoina tari kungatareta phajinduna thamlakhiba Manipuri maitei nupa macha ani sinarkhibani hairi panbayai Kukijo Village Volunteers singna Manipuri lengakta tawrakhiba tongan ba demand singi manungda 𝗡𝗚𝗔𝗦𝗏 𝗡𝗚𝗔𝗡 oiba mafamda thamba Kangpokpi district ki Fireland Mall sub division da police station ama thamba haiba sini amadi demand asigi damak haukiba September gi tarikh 8 dagi hauduna Manipur gi DGP ga tongan ba mawongda negotiate taunaba khanaduna lakhibani hairi loinana center lenga ka kupna nainaraba matungda village volunteers singi demand thabakto onthokpani hairi lenga ka yanabagi matung ina sajiwa jail da lairiba legal procedure matik chana loiraba Kukijo inmate taraga mathoi ngasi saparmaina da khusinakre amadi police station ama Kangpokpida hangba haina yanakibani hairi
Kotu haibasina akoigi wafam period se leptuna noini bu kannanaba numit marini mangani manu asida chelaga sugadoba tawgadoba thabak mayasi tawe haibasi inaw anina chapchana khangbinaba haijari ka yamaji gi to ding ma pa bu okay chibai ga ka Lumani toba ko din naman pa yin ki deba lay na susmin tu amang niya labi lay sa kanina pa gari में ngayon chalo ko yin deba toba ko Pamina police station ko jeta loina police station na gani ko okay then
The Committee on Tribal Unity is hard pressed to make this press bite with regards to the incident which had happened on the 27th of September, wherein 3 youths from Imphal Valley were detained by our village volunteers. A mention been made that the Committee on Tribal Unity has been spearheading for the safety and the release of this detainee. But however, our efforts were maligned by the Valley-based local media as well as the public in Imphal, saying that the committee and Committee on Tribal Unity is a part of this milieu. But we would like to reiterate that after intervening, we were able to release one person on the day itself. But however, for the other 2, our village volunteers made some condition, which it took us time because the first discussion with the DGP of Manipur was on the 29th. But because of he being a DGP of a state, our negotiation could not materialize. First, the demand was the transfer of all jail inmates from Imphal to Kukijo dominated area, which is 𝗡𝗚𝗔𝗦𝗏. And the second is establishment of police station at 𝗡𝗚𝗟𝗓 area. See, if the CM had cared for those 2 detained individuals, he would have acted. But sadly so, we requested the central government to intervene. And finally, a DGP on the behest of this central government made us possible to reach an amicable solution. Therefore, 2 youths were released today, and as per the agreement, 11 people who are the jail inmates have been received here at this church compound, Saparmaina.